I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the 375 Castle from 1978, aka the Yellow Castle. How is this a castle? Oh, we've got to build it, don't we? We'll start with this one. Lay the foundations of the castle first. Now, there's a lot of yellow. Whoa. Oh, because it's the Yellow Castle. Yes. And here we go. Building the walls of the castle. Do we think this is going to be the front or the back of the castle? I guess we need to keep building. Another block there and another block there. It's very important when building castles to make them tall. Oh, okay, this is cool. There you go, there's a little preview of the inside of the castle. But we need to keep building the walls. This is going to be an excellent castle. Add a little ramp. We add a little archway. Ta-da! Oh, that's looking very cool. Now we need to make these towers just a little bit taller, because what makes a good castle? A tall tassel. A tall tassel! A tall tassel. A tall tassel. Or also known as a tall castle. Pew! Okay, there we go. Look at those 3 towers. Can you see the little hole through this one? Pew! We're adding a window or maybe a secret lookout. Cool. We have 3 towers and 3 blocks left. Where do you think they're gonna go? Not on my nose, no! They go on our towers. Oh, and they've got the little spiky bits. Pew! Oh, I wish I could shrink myself down and live in this castle. Hello, and welcome to the Yellow Castle, where all we eat is bananas and pineapples and other yellow things. Our favorite color is red. If you want to see some more unbox and play videos, be sure to hit the link down below. And if you've enjoyed building this yellow castle with me, click like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.